Hello friends, you're watching TNWS channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix SIM card contacts not showing problem in Realme GT 5G or Realme GT 5G Master Edition. So before I start the video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you're facing contacts not showing problem in Realme GT 5G or Master Edition, simply first of all you just need to go to contact settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.